let y'all see me like this. I'm finna get myself a quick weave and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing it or whatever. Oh, hold on, what? Why does my voice just crack like that? So I'm gonna do a quick weave and I'm gonna show y'all how I go or whatever. I gotta figure out the hair and all that. I'm thinking, should I go in there and walk and record and find the stuff and show y'all and then come in the house and do it, or should I just get right to it and show y'all like the stuff I got from the beauty supply when I come back? I might just do the stuff I got from the beauty supply when I come back. But hey y'all, welcome to my channel, you feel me? My name's Tygeewygee. Nice to meet y'all. If you new, hey. If you old, thank you for watching again. Thank you for being here again and choosing to watch my videos. I actually appreciate it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick weave, so bear with me. I might show y'all when I'm at the beauty supply and what I'm getting, or I might just show y'all when I make it back home. We'll figure it out when I make it back, but talk to y'all when I get back. Y'all, tell me why it's finally a black beauty supply. It ain't been nothing but, excuse me, Chinese people and white people beauty salons out here. I meant beauty supplies. It's actually a black beauty supply out here. I am shocked. I finally got somewhere I can go now. Y'all, I found the hell, but that bitch like $24 for each. And then taxes? Why do it cost so much to be a fucking girl? Sometimes I wish I could be a fucking boy, like, ugh. Damn, I wish I was a nigga. Nails, hair, $500. Nails, $500. Like, damn! That shouldn't cost this goddamn much to be a female. Sometimes I wish I go back to 2019, 2020. Everything was cheap. Everything fucking hot now. Shit. I see why I put motherfuckers stealing cars and shit now. They tired. Them prices are hidden. Them prices beating motherfuckers' ass. Maybe because I'm cheap. I think that's it. I'm cheap. Because I don't be wanting to try to spend no big bucks on shit that I'm really not going to need. Like, I got good hair, but it's like I'm tired of wearing my shit. I need to stop looking like this. And I don't want to buy no damn wig. I got the opportunity to get a wig, but I'm not finna. Like, bro, like this shit sucks. She ain't even answering the phone. Like, I need your help.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug. And I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby. I've been reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing. I wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the universe. Lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no, no. I've been down, baby. I've been reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing. You don't wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night. wondered if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast for me. Living at the speed.